Daily English, Day 8. Okay, there's a PDF file that comes with every video. You can download from eflsongs.com. It's free, just click, download, easy. Now, Daily English, Day 8. Listening videos are available at www.eflsongs.com and on YouTube at eflsongs_com. Daily English playlist. Word bank. Year, some, take, come, these, know, see, use. A-B conversation. Listen to the conversation, fill in the blanks using the words from the word bank. Then listen again and read the captions for the answers. What are you going to do this year? I want to take some new classes and learn to play the guitar. Oh, that sounds great. I hope you come to our music club. I didn't know there was one. Can I join? Of course. We meet every Friday. Cool. I'll see you there. Bring some songs you like. We use them to practice. Oh, good idea. I know a few already. What are you going to do this year? I want to take some new classes and learn to play the guitar. Oh, that sounds great. I hope you come to our music club. I didn't know there was one. Can I join? Of course. We meet every Friday. Cool. I'll see you there. Bring some songs you like. We use them to practice. Oh, good idea. I know a few already. Listening script 1. Listen to the short story, fill in the blanks using the words from the word bank. Then listen again and read the captions for the answers. This year we started a garden at school. Some students came early to take care of the plants. We use rainwater and natural sunlight to help them grow. It was nice to see the flowers come up in spring. Now we know how to care for the earth better. This year we started a garden at school. Some students came early to take care of the plants. We use rainwater and natural sunlight to help them grow. It was nice to see the flowers come up in spring. Now we know how to care for the earth better. Listening script 2, comprehension. Listen and answer the comprehension questions. My friend showed me how to use a new app to learn languages. We take short lessons and see progress quickly. These apps are useful and fun to use every day. Some students know 3 or 4 languages now. I think more schools will try apps like this in the future. Comprehension questions. What is the app used for? 2. How often do they use it? 3. What results do students get? 4. Why is the speaker excited? And 5. What prediction is made about the future?